Be Jerry Maguire for doctors. It's Ethan Incana.
The first thing that physicians do is they figure out where they want to be geographically. I tell every residency program I talk to, which is at this point it's almost 50, please do not use the whole country as your area of opportunity or where you want to be. Think about 2 to 3 places you'd really want to be. So for me, when I came out of law school, I knew I wanted to be in either Nashville, Chicago, or Denver. And so I visited all those places, looked for jobs. But if I was looking for jobs in 50 states, how overwhelming would that have been? Because you're gonna get offers, right? You're gonna get offers from Oklahoma, and you're gonna get offers from West Virginia and Ohio and Arizona. So how are you then going to evaluate those offers compared to the places you really wanna be? So I tell doctors, you must figure out before you start this process, figure out where you wanna be.